Okay, good day, everyone. I'm Too Much, the director of Too Much Mathematics Academy, and today I want to address the JAMB students again. So basically, you guys have written JAMB, and some of you have gotten scores that you probably are not comfortable with, and then you are thinking about what next. Really, you're thinking about what next with your score. Some of you have been asking questions. What can you do with your score? Can you still pursue admission with the low score? Can you still put into the course, your course of study? So is it still possible for you to pursue that same course with your score? Okay. The first thing I'm going to tell you guys is that be open-minded. Okay, open your mind and take to suggestions. You need to understand the fact that JAMB is just one of the ways of gaining entrance into tertiary institution in Nigeria. JAMB is just one of the ways, of several ways of gaining admission into tertiary institutions in Nigeria, be it university or polytechnic or whatever. It's just one way. Do you understand? So there are several other ways that you can explore as a student. There are several ways that you can explore as a student. So I'm going to be addressing you on the basis of the different ways that we have. The first one is that, okay, let's look into even gaining entrance in Nigeria. Okay, one, JAMB is just a way. Perhaps one of the say easiest way, cost wise, and perhaps exam wise as well. But it even shows that with this year's results, because many of you have gotten scores that you probably are not okay with, you're not comfortable with. So the scores you even have this year is showing that the JAMB has its own, the exam has its own issue on its own. Do you understand? So if that's the case, that means exploring other ways is even more paramount, especially in a year like this. So don't hurt yourself. Don't injure yourself. Don't beat yourself up. Don't eat yourself up as a result of the low JAMB score that you have. I'm telling you that you can still gain admission using other ways. One of those ways that you can explore is doing a pre-degree program. A pre-degree is just a short program that's going to avail you some knowledge that can take you to, that can make you enter institution using a direct entry. So instead of you passing through JAMB, you are going to be gaining entrance to universities without using the JAMB results. Very good example is IGMB, JUPEB, A-Level Cambridge. All of these programs will avail you the opportunity to study in university without necessarily passing through JAMB. For example, if you take a JUPEB, you go through a program, you can run the program, it's almost everywhere now. You can run the program anywhere, in Lagos, in Ibadan, anywhere you see it. The classes, go through the classes, register for the program, enroll yourself. And when you write the exam, you write an exam, there's a cutoff for each of the courses in different schools. All you just need to look at is what is the cutoff for my course in this school. And when you have it, you go and then you apply using direct entry. If you meet the requirements, you definitely gain entrance into the institution. Do you understand? That's just one way. The other ways that you also have, I've mentioned those ones that you can use to avail yourself opportunities in this Nigeria, in this country. Okay, but you are better than even studying in this country. Trust me. And your background is not the issue. Don't say, oh, because of my background, oh, we don't have money in our family, oh, I'm not from a rich home. Forget about it. I have students outside Nigeria who had nothing when they were leaving this country. Okay, the like of Mubarak, I'm still going to bring him up maybe in one of our discussions sometimes to come. I have like of Mubarak in Hungary. Okay, I have Yusuf in Russia. Okay, there is Usman in Turkey. All these people, if you know Agege, the core inner Agege, that's where these people left, you know, for the countries that they are currently studying now. Okay, so you can actually make it. All you just need to do is there are private scholarships, there are also institution-based scholarships. There are private-based scholarships and there are institution-based scholarships. There are also government scholarships. All these, you don't need kobo. You don't need to pay anybody anything before you can gain entrance, you know, before you can avail yourself. It's an opportunity that is open to all. Okay? You just need to open your eyes. Don't kill yourself. You don't need to, don't put yourself in a corner. Be open. Be open to suggestions. Just open your eyes and you'll be fine. Don't waste your time trying to study for JAMB. This is not the era of, oh, I wrote JAMB. Don't let someone start telling you, giving you the story of how he wrote JAMB 10 times before he made it into, you know, messing in Unilag. Okay? You need to grow. You need to avail yourself. Maybe then they were not opportune. They were not exposed to all these opportunities. But you have information. When you are informed, okay? When you are informed, there's no way you'll be deformed. Do you understand that now? So you perform when you are informed. You don't get deformed. So don't put yourself. Again, there are government scholarships, there are private body scholarships, and there are institution-based scholarships. How do they work? That's what you should ask. Which one can you apply for? If you have a very strong O-level result, let's say you even have 5 A's in all your core subjects, you can apply for bilateral agreements in Nigeria here. You can apply for it. You can apply for Turkey Boselari. You can apply for Blue Rain Scholarship. You can apply. All these are government funded. Okay, you don't need to pay anybody. Again, you don't need to pay anybody. But I'm telling you this: if you have a very strong O-level result, you can apply to this. And if you don't want to go through the government way, there are institution-based scholarships, okay, outside there. All you just need to write is perhaps you do a standardized test, like SAT. You can write your SAT. If you can have 1,500 over 1,600 in SAT, it's a whole lot to fetch you scholarship outside there, okay? So, again, of course, we may not be able to, so that we won't make we're not going to make the video so long. You can make your admission without necessarily passing through JAMB, without necessarily using your JAMB results. That's what I'm trying to address. But if you have a very good JAMB score, no problem, you can proceed. You can proceed. The people I mentioned earlier, they were already, Yusuf was in Unilag year 2 before he left for Russia. Mubarak was in Unilag elect year 1 in 2017 before he left for Hungary. You know, this guy in Turkey, Usman was in Ife before he left for Turkey. So all these people, they even gain entrance. It means if you have a very strong JAMB results too, you can pursue the JAMB at the same time explore yourself. Don't kill yourself. This country, don't just stay in this country and trying to explore. You have opportunities. Don't kill yourself in. Nobody asks you to. Nobody says it's a must for you to stay here before you can succeed or before. No, there are opportunities, and these opportunities you don't necessarily have to spend all, you know, you don't necessarily have to have big money before you can have them. Just basic, you know, information. How do I go about it? Do this, do that, apply for this, apply for that. These are what you need. Okay. So if you have, maybe for those of you who will be interested in any of this, you can drop a comment, ask if there's any opportunities, we can share it for you. Okay, you can just again subscribe to the channel, our YouTube channel, subscribe to it. If there are opportunities, I'm going to be sharing them via video on this platform. And at the same time, you can follow Imperial Services on Facebook or on Instagram. You can follow them, follow Imperial Services, and then they dish out opportunities. You see information on how you can navigate. You can go to their DM, ask them, go to Imperial Services, chat them up, ask them, oh, you are interested in, is there any scholarship on? They would answer you and put you through. Do you understand that now? So don't injure yourself, don't harm yourself. You have better opportunities. You can do better than you're currently doing, and there are better opportunities for you. Don't just reduce your chances by by saying that, oh, except that you write JAMB again before you can proceed. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because ordinarily is a channel for mathematics, to solve mathematics that we do as we do our daily challenges. At the same time too, if there are stuffs that are going to benefit the general masses, we're also going to be discussing it on this platform. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this information to others, let them gain. Don't restrict the information to yourself alone. Send it across, let everybody be benefit from this discussion. Thank you very much.